Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable Siri animation on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First we go to Settings, and then we go to General. Here we go to Software Update, and make sure that you have the iOS 18 Developer Beta Update. And if you don't have this update, make sure to update this. Alright then, if you go back and we go to the screen just right here. You will see that we don't have the option to turn on the Siri animation. And Apple calls that the AI option. So when you have an iPhone with the iPhone 14 Pro or higher, like 15 and all the other options around 15 or 16, then you will see the option just right here. The Siri animation calls the AI tool that Apple added to their software. So if you don't see this just right here, then you have an older iPhone. And then this option is not allowed on your iPhone. And when you see the option just right here after updating your phone, then you go to Siri. And then from here you can enable your Siri animation. So that's basically how you can enable Siri animation on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.